Hey everybody, welcome to Healthify-Elkepee. I know what it's like to feel frustrated with that stubborn belly fat. It's a battle we've all faced, but it's a battle you can win. In this video, we're diving deep to equip you with the knowledge, tools, and motivation to conquer that belly fat. We're talking effective tips and tricks that actually work, not some fad diet nonsense. This is about empowering you to take control of your health and your body. So buckle up, get ready to work hard, and let's get started on this journey together. Alright, let's get real for a minute. Belly fat is more than just something that makes your clothes feel tight. It's a serious issue that can wreak havoc on your health. We're talking increased risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, even certain types of cancer. This isn't about fitting into a smaller size. It's about protecting your well-being for the long haul. You see, that fat around your midsection, it's not just sitting there passively. It's metabolically active, pumping out harmful substances that impact your entire body. Think of it like a ticking time bomb. But here's the good news, you have the power to defuse that bomb. By understanding the enemy, we can start to fight back effectively. Knowledge is power, and we're going to arm you with the information you need to make real, lasting changes. Belly fat, also known as visceral fat, is the dangerous type that accumulates around your organs. It's different from the subcutaneous fat that sits just under the skin. Now, some amount of body fat is normal and necessary, but when it comes to belly fat, too much is a recipe for disaster. If you're carrying extra weight around your midsection, it's time to take action. Let's talk about food, because it's a big part of the equation. And no, I'm not talking about deprivation or starvation diets. Those don't work, and they're just setting you up for failure. We're talking about making sustainable changes to your eating habits that will fuel your body and help you shed that stubborn belly fat. Think of it as nourishing your body from the inside out. First things first, we need to ditch the processed junk. Those sugary drinks, fast food meals, and packaged snacks. They're loaded with empty calories, unhealthy fats, and added sugars that are sabotaging your efforts. Instead, we're going to focus on whole, unprocessed foods that are packed with nutrients. Fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains. These are the building blocks of a healthy diet that will support your weight loss goals. Portion control is key. You can still enjoy your favorite foods, but be mindful of how much you're consuming. Listen to your body and eat until you're satisfied, not stuffed. And don't forget about hydration. Water is essential for flushing out toxins, boosting your metabolism, and keeping you feeling full. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Now, I know it can be overwhelming to overhaul your entire diet overnight, so start small. Make gradual changes one step at a time. Swap out sugary drinks for water or unsweetened tea. Add more vegetables to your plate. Alright, let's get moving. Exercise is crucial when it comes to burning calories, boosting your metabolism, and sculpting a toned midsection. And no, you don't need a fancy gym membership to get results. We're going to focus on two key types of exercise: cardio and core work. Cardio gets your heart rate up and burns calories, while core exercises strengthen and tone your abdominal muscles. For cardio, find activities you enjoy and that you can stick with. Running, swimming, biking, dancing, the options are endless. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity cardio most days of the week. Now let's talk about core work. We want to target all the muscles in your core, including your abs, obliques, and lower back. Planks, Russian twists, bicycle crunches, mountain climbers. These are just a few examples of exercises that will engage your entire core and help you sculpt a strong, defined midsection. And remember, consistency is key. Make exercise a regular part of your routine and you'll start to see amazing results. Listen up, because this is important. Losing belly fat and keeping it off isn't just about diet and exercise. It's about making sustainable lifestyle changes that support your goals. One of the biggest culprits when it comes to belly fat is stress. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, a hormone that can lead to increased fat storage, especially around the midsection. So finding healthy ways to manage stress is crucial. Yoga, meditation, spending time in nature, listening to music. These are all great ways to de-stress and reduce cortisol levels. Sleep is another often overlooked factor in weight loss. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the hunger hormone ghrelin and less of the satiety hormone leptin, leading to increased cravings and overeating. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a regular sleep schedule, create a relaxing bedtime routine, and make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. And don't underestimate the power of social support. Alright, now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into some more advanced tips and tricks that can help you take your results to the next level. One strategy that has gained popularity in recent years is intermittent fasting. This involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. There are various methods, but one common approach is the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and have an 8-hour eating window. Intermittent fasting can be an effective way to reduce calorie intake, boost metabolism, and promote fat burning. However, it's not suitable for everyone, so it's important to consult with your doctor before trying it. Another strategy is to incorporate high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, into your workouts. HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery periods. This type of training has been shown to be highly effective for burning calories and boosting metabolism. You can also try adding resistance training to your routine. Lifting weights or using resistance bands helps build muscle, which in turn increases your metabolism and helps you burn more calories at rest. Okay, I know you're probably wondering what all of this looks like in practice, so let's get specific. I'm going to give you a sample meal plan and workout routine to get you started. Keep in mind, this is just a template and you can adjust it based on your individual needs and preferences. For breakfast, start your day with a nutrient-rich meal that will fuel your body and keep you feeling full. Think oatmeal with berries and nuts, scrambled eggs with veggies, or a Greek yogurt parfait with fruit and granola. Lunch should be a balance of lean protein, complex carbs, and healthy fats. Try a salad with grilled chicken or fish, a veggie burger on a whole wheat bun, or a lentil soup with whole grain bread. Dinner should be lighter than lunch and focus on lean protein and vegetables. Grilled fish with steamed veggies, chicken stir-fry with brown rice, or a veggie frittata are all great options. And don't forget about snacks. Healthy snacks can help keep you satisfied between meals and prevent overeating. Good options include fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, or Greek yogurt. For cardio, you can go for a run, swim, bike, dance, or do any activity that gets your heart rate up. For strength training, focus on compound exercises that work multiple muscle groups at once, such as squats, lunges, push-ups, and rows. We've covered a lot of ground today, but here's the bottom line. You have the power to change your body and your health. It's not going to be easy, but it will be worth it. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. There will be setbacks along the way, but it's important to stay focused on your goals and never give up. Celebrate your successes, learn from your mistakes, and keep pushing forward. Surround yourself with a support system, whether it's friends, family, or an online community. Having people to cheer you on and hold you accountable can make all the difference. And most importantly, believe in yourself. You are capable of achieving amazing things. So, go out there, crush your goals, and show yourself what you're truly made of. That's it for today, everyone. You've got the knowledge, the tools, and the motivation to finally conquer that belly fat and achieve the flatter stomach you've always wanted. Remember, this is about more than just aesthetics. It's about taking control of your health and feeling your absolute best. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to Healthify-Elkepee for more awesome health and fitness tips. Share this video with your friends and family who are also looking to lose belly fat and live healthier lives. Now get out there, put in the work, and I'll see you in the next video.